Hi everyone, this is Eat Sleep here from the Techies, and today I'm going to be showing you the custom compositing modes Sony Vegas has to offer. So I just quickly dragged in a Modern Warfare 2 kind of clip thing in here, and I'm also going to use a background just so you can see exactly what they do. So drag in a background there, and we'll drag it out. So right now all we have is our just Call of Duty kind of intro thing running, but we can actually go over here to compositing mode and click custom, and well, so all I have is 3. I only have 3. I'm sure you could get more, but first I'm gonna go over bump map. And bump map is really similar to the bump map under the video effects tab, so if you've used that, it's virtually the exact same. But what it does is it kind of like engraves the video into a background if you have a background, which I think looks pretty cool. And of course you can always mess with the settings on this like that. That looks pretty cool. And increase the ambience a bit, shininess goes down, intensity, that. So in the end result, it kind of looks something like that, where the video looks like it's actually engraved into the kind of steel looking background, which I think that looks pretty cool. So the next effect I'm going to go over, and let me just remove this really quick. There we go. I'm going to go back to custom and look at Displacement Map. And now this does exactly what it says. It kind of like moves things around and moves them around, and I guess that's pretty much it. So you can move the horizontal around, move the vertical around. I don't exactly know the entire point of this, but it does kind of look cool, kind of like a liquidy, and it looks like it's feathered out at the top, which that's a nice effect. And you can also invert surfaces, which means instead of the background being it, you can have the clip on the top, which is like that, and you can also mess with the kind of settings for this too, which is kind of cool. So yeah, that's Displacement Map. And our last one that Sony Vegas has for the default is, I believe it's bump. No, I believe it's okay, it's height map. So I think height map is probably one of the coolest ones to use, and what it does is it kind of creates a liquid effect, as in everything looks liquefied, which I think is pretty cool there. And of course you can change all these settings, alpha, input setting. You can even create the video on the top, the actual video, and have it be liquidy, and that cool effect there. It looks pretty, I like this effect. So if we check it out with the top of the video that's liquefied, you get that kind of effect there. And I'm just gonna make the bottom one liquid and show you that. And amplitude and elevation, they just control how, you know, crazy you want it to look, from that or just the subtle kind of liquefied like that. I usually go for the subtle. I think that looks a lot better than insanity, if you will. So also over here at the smoothness tab, if you don't have that all the way at the 1 or 2 or something low like that, you probably won't see it. So here we go for the liquid effect on the text, on the background. Looks pretty cool there. And of course, always from this you could add kind of video effects to it. You could add some you can sharpen it, and doesn't really help too much, but it looks, make it better. So anyways, this has been a tutorial on the 3 custom compositing modes in Sony Vegas. This has been Eat Sleep from the Techies. Thanks for watching.